how to find your activity settings on Instagram on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your activity settings on Instagram on iOS phone. As you see here, after you click on your profile, just click here on three lines here like this, and you will see your activity here. Click on it, and now as you see, you can manage your activity settings. You can manage your like settings, your comment settings, your tag settings, your sticker responses settings, and your reviews. And that's how to find your activity settings. And that's it for today. If you like video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.